Buenos dias. All right, today we're doing our very last objective for this unit. We'll be able to describe what somebody else likes or doesn't like. And if you can remember how to do this for yourself, it won't be very hard to do it for somebody else. So for yourself, I would say like, me gusta tocar el piano. I'm not very good at it, but I kind of like playing the piano. But for my mom, I'm going to change it. Instead of me gusta, I'm going to say le gusta. A mi mamá le gusta tocar el piano. And if I'm using the person's name, I'll still use the a. A Amy le gusta cantar. A Tom le gusta el béisbol. And you'll notice it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. Tom, we still say le. Amy, we say le. So what are we literally saying here? Let's look. So, a mi mamá le gusta tocar el piano is literally to my mom is pleasing to play the piano. That sounds so weird. In English, we say, my mom likes to play the piano. But that's why we have to put this on front, because we're literally saying to my mom something is pleasing. So for Amy, it would be to Amy, singing is pleasing to sing. Okay? To Tom is pleasing the baseball. Now, if we had already been talking about Tom, I've already been introducing you to him and telling you other things about him, I probably wouldn't have to say his name again. I could just say, le gusta el béisbol. That would be like, he likes baseball. This is my brother. His name is Tom. He is short and has brown hair, and he likes baseball. Le gusta el béisbol. Okay, so remember, you just change the me out for a le. Our sentence frame, then the person's name, le gusta or le gustan. Remember, we'll use the N if what comes after is plural, like bananas. Le gustan las bananas, baseball, singular. Le gusta el béisbol. Okay, the next one, you've got 3 sentence frames. We're under our second one. This is what we don't like. So if it was me, remember talking about yourself, I would say, no me gusta los lunes. I don't like Mondays. For somebody else, I'm going to say, a mi papá no le gusta la música rap. He's an old dude. He doesn't like rap music. Okay. A Sarah no le gusta correr. A Julene no le gustan muchos dulces. She doesn't like a lot of candies. So again, we're saying to my dad or to Sarah, these things are not pleasing. To Julene is not pleasing a lot of candy. She likes a little candy, but not a lot. So our sentence frame, and then the person, you could say mi mamá or their name, Kathy, no le gusta, and then whatever it is they don't like. So this is just like when we were talking about ourselves, we would change the me to a le, and you can talk about somebody else. Last one, what people love. A mi papá le encanta pescar. My dad loves to fish. A Dan le encanta comer. A Sarah le encanta jugar juegos. So again, we're saying to my dad is enchanting to fish. In English, normally we would say just my dad loves to fish. So let's look at that last sentence frame. The person, le encanta whatever. Okay, whatever it is that they love, you'll put after that. So these are the main sentence frames. If you could do this talking about yourself, just remember, switch out the me for a le and talk about one other person. And you should have it done. Make sure you complete the rest of this. I will give you a grade on it. Even though it's going in your notebook, you're writing it by hand, I'm going to come around and check on Monday and see that you have it done and give you credit. It's kind of a lot of writing, and I want to give you credit for that. Okay. Buena suerte.